Hello traders, the title of the video is example of speculative Elliott wave count. Alright, so we are talking about speculative Elliott wave count. I was touching upon that essential topic in previous videos, and today I want to give you one example of what we call speculative, Elliott wave count. So suppose you were here, so you are thinking what's going on here, what's going on, and that's all you have. So you are not sure whether you have enough data or not. This is what you are given to work with. All right, so in your mind you are wondering, well, am I missing something? Is everything here? What's going on? So you need to switch your button, so to speak. Okay, you need to switch into the mode of speculative Elliott wave count. Right. When we are using the word speculative, we are talking about risky. All right, which means you are not going to throw money all over the place. You are not going to, jump all over the place, so to speak, thinking that definitely it's going to be good. But sometimes with speculative wave count, you may come out clean without any problem. But understand that you are in a mode where you need to proceed with extreme caution. All right. Another thing that I want to say about the speculative Elliott wave count is that when we are doing speculative Elliott wave count, we do not worry or put into consideration too much the Elliott wave rules. Now it is a bit odd for myself as an Elliott wave trader to talk to you like this, but the reason why I'm talking to you like this is so you may understand what's going on, and also it will help you when you are trying to go into the mind of other Elliott wave traders to know that there are speculative Elliott wave traders out there doing all kind of crazy things. All right. Another reason why you need to understand what is a speculative Elliott wave count is because the trading algorithm, the trading software are doing crazy things. So trading algorithm come like this, got all this data, you will say, suppose it's programmed to count price move. Price move, I'm not talking about wave, price move. When we are talking about price move, we don't worry about, whether it has violated the Elliott wave principle or not. It's a price move. So you say price went down, 1, price went up, 2, price went down, 3, price went up, 4, price went up, but went down, 5. So you say, oh, that's a triangle. So computer thinking, algorithm thinking, A, B, C, D, all right? So A, B, C, D, E. Now you say, oh, I must buy here. But are we missing some data? Or do we have all information? Is it the beginning of the whole thing? What's going on here? Blah, 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 blah. You understand now? But look, that computer or a person using a speculative Elliott wave may come out clean. So maybe you may say, all right, George said that any higher low or bullish chart pattern above a triangle is a high probability setup. Any lower high below a triangle or bearish chart pattern below a triangle is a high probability setup. So probably we say, all right, take this one here. All right. Okay, probably consolidating a bit here. Yeah. One blah blah here. Take it from here. All right. And then here it is running up. Okay. And sometimes people will leave money on the table. So you run out like this, you pull back. After a strong move up, you pull back from another higher low. How do you know it from a higher low? When the common straight line is broken, you implement the top, not the middle. You want to catch it up, cream it up. Right? Don't jump into another useless trade. This is working beautifully. You pull back, the common straight line is broken. Concentrate and take it again up. So this is one example of speculative Elliott wave count. So price went out here, so you see. So now what I did is here myself, because this is the idea of the speculative Elliott wave count. So I'm thinking, all right, probably there was one move here. So I know what going through the mind of trading view trader. They will say, Joe, go to the trading view. I know, all right. But for this exercise, I want to use this chart for this example, all right. So probably there was one move here. That's why I'm putting there. Speculative one. Is he there? Is he not there? What's there? I don't know. but I'm doing what we call speculative Elliott wave count. That's the talking about switching that button on speculation. All right. So I don't worry too much. I just say, triangle. Because you can get away with the market pattern. It's a triangle, so that's it. If there is a triangle, I can work with that. Okay? Whether I have enough data or not, if it's a triangle or a market pattern, I can work with that. Because the market pattern will precede everything else. So then we come up here, blah, blah, blah. So you see, first wave, that is not visible here. Okay, now you see what's going on now. Second wave, you say, Joe, what are you doing? Speculative Elliott wave count. I say, all right, this is the third wave that has been subdivided into 5 minor waves. Now this is my third wave there, okay? And I say, all right, now look at this one. When we are talking about A, B, C, D, E, is normally in a triangle. Sometimes you see in a channel like this. So don't think that A, B, C, D, E is always in a triangle. It's a consolidation. So a consolidation can be a channel. A consolidation can be a triangle. All right? That's it. So here it is. A, B, C, D, E. You remember when I was talking about this currency pair, we are looking at the US dollar, Norwegian krone. We were putting a lot of question mark on this price action here. But one thing that we have to stick to is the market pattern. You see, there is a consolidation. People were selling here at the top, and they were buying here. That will determine the strategy that we will deploy. Now, embrace above it, what do? Market geometry, we project it up. That line there is parallel to the first channel, and we draw again a median line. You see? All right. I'm going to remove some of the line because I recorded a video. If you are trading for rights, that video is titled ABCDE Wave a Pattern Trader Analyzes USD Norwegian krone. Now that video will be posted first on Facebook, Stochastic-MACD Facebook page, and then later on it will be posted at the 24 Forex Trader YouTube channel, DG2, DG4 Forex Trader YouTube channel. So you may understand all the line that I have on my chart here. So as I'm speaking to you today, on the 19th of February 2019, the time in London is 4 minutes past 6 p.m. All right, so I'm feeling hungry as I talk about. All right, now, okay. All right. So the price now at the hotspot trading zone. What is the hotspot trading zone? Intersection between a trend line and a horizontal key level, or intersection between a moving average and a trend line. A moving average or a moving average and horizontal key level. So this was a hotspot trading zone. The price breaks above the level of 83906 and retest it. After this candlestick is closed, people start implementing a top-down trading method. I'm not going to go into the blah 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 about how they took the trade. You have to watch that video. ABCDE Wave a Pattern Trader analyzes USD NOK. So that's what they're buying here. So what are we expecting here? Talking about a speculative Elliott wave count, we will be expecting the fifth wave. You see here? So it's breaking above the consolidation. Is it going to continue to go up to form the fifth wave? So in order to have a bit of idea how far the fifth wave will do, we'll connect this high of our speculative first wave to the high of our speculative third wave, leave it there. Or you see now? Are you getting it? And then we'll also apply Fibonacci extension to our speculative third wave from here all the way up there. And our 138.2% Fibonacci extension is somewhere up there in the uncharted territory. All right? This is what's going on now. All right. So, all in all, just to give you, okay, a feel, so to speak, a feel of a speculative Elliott wave count. At one point, all Elliott wave trader will switch to a speculative wave count. Like here, you can see, okay, talking about speculative wave count, one will go like this: 1, 2, 3, all right, blah blah blah, and then pull back 4, then 5, and you say, oh, the trend has ended. But once those who are using the speculative Elliott wave count, or the computers or the algorithm are doing that, they don't worry too much about the violation of the Elliott wave rule. They just trading it. They just doing all kind of things, which is risky, by the way. So this is not the best approach to use the Elliott wave principle. Otherwise, you'll be. In fact, what they are doing, they are messing up, okay, the market. They are distorting the market. But you can't stop them because they are not doing anything illegal. That's the way they want to trade it. That's their choice. They know it's risky, but they are doing it. If they are managing it carefully, and they are getting something out of that speculative Elliott wave count, well, all good, yes or no. That's it. All right, so this will conclude our discussion today about example of speculative Elliott wave count. If you have any question or suggestion, please put in the comment section, and of course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. All right. If you like this video, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you dislike it, mark it down. If you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr. Sometimes I'm posting video first, and in this case, any forex video will be posted first on Facebook. Okay, but sometimes I'm posting first on Facebook. My Facebook page is Stochastic-MACD. Follow us, please, on Facebook also. All right? My YouTube channel for Elliott wave trading is 24 Elliott waves. Digit 2, digit 4. Elliott waves in plural. Please subscribe to that. And click on the notification bell, so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. If you want to learn more about Elliott wave trading, go to www.24elliottwaves.com. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about example of speculative Elliott wave count. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you soon. Happy trading to you all.